Namaste. Welcome to today's workout. Today our main focus will be on relaxing hip flexors and major psoas muscle. So all the workout and movements will continue in the same manner, working towards the main goal. Let's start with single Om chant. Close your eyes, spine straight. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra, and let's set the intention for the workout. First of all, disconnect yourself from the world. Be on mat. Be with your breath. Gently open the eyes while looking towards the floor in front of you. So let's start the workout. First of all, we will do some box breathing. It will be like 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds hold, and 6 seconds exhale. Let's start. We will do it for 2 minutes. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. Inhale normally and exhale through mouth. Stay here for some time. Keep the eyes closed. Observe your breath. Now gently open the eyes. So first of all, we will do Shishupalasana, 1 minute each side, just to awaken our hip area. Let's start with right leg. First of all, take your right leg, hold it here under the left elbow and take it near the chest and gently rock and roll it left and right. You can close your eyes. Spine should be straight and focus should be on your hip movement. Try not to move your head right and left. Rock and roll the little baby in your arms. Feel your breath. Breathe little deeper than normal. Release your right leg. And let's start with the left one. One leg is in your lap and other one is placing firmly on the mat, little away from your perineum area, just to maintain your body balance. Let's start. Eyes closed, spine straight. And release. Now, second round of the workout is warm up. In warm up, we will do approximately 4 exercises. Let's start. Come to tabletop position. Your both the hands and knees will be hip width, we can say shoulder width apart. So let's do cat cow. 8 rounds. Exhale, tuck the chin in. Round your spine. Lengthen your spine upward. Inhale. Drop the belly down. Look up. Take hips out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Four. Exhale. Inhale. 5. Exhale. Inhale. 6. 7. 8. And let's meet in tabletop position. From here, tuck your toes. Go back to downward dog. Stay in downward dog for 3 breaths. 3 long breaths. Inhale. Exhale. You can look between your feet or you may close the eyes. Next, take the right leg up, 3-leg dog, and bend the knee and take the right foot between your palms. Drop the back knee down. Come into low lunge position. From here, for support, you can take the blocks under your both hands or you can continue without blocks. Take your left knee up, adjust your back foot, stay here. Now gently drop the knee down, tap it on the mat and come up. Exhale while going down, inhale, coming up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this time drop the knee down, come up, both the arms up, and as you exhale you can take the block on your right side and bend your body right side. Low lunge and side bend. Hold here 3 breath. 1, 2, drop your hip down and bend right side. 3, inhale, come to center and both the hands down, press the mat, come back, down dog. This time left leg up, bend the knee and place your left foot between the palms. Just to adjust yourself, for the time being you can drop your back knee down. Now take it up, adjust the knee and let's do knee tap in low lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now relax, back knee down, take the block your left side, come up and drop your left arm down and bend your left side. Stay here 3 breath. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3. Inhale, come to center, control your movement. On exhale, take both the hands, press the palms and go back in down dog. Stay here 3 breath. Relax in down dog. And next is again right leg up. Take right foot outside the right palm. Now drop your arms down, lizard pose. Adjust your back foot. Feel proper stretch in pelvis region. Stay here 5 to 8 breath. One, 2, 3. Option to stay on the arms. If you feel too much while going down, those who can stay on forearms. 4, 5. Try to keep your right knee near the right shoulder. 7, 8. Come back. From here, take the right foot back. Down dog. Stay 3 breath. From here, left leg up, and this time take left leg outside the left palm and meet me in lizard pose. Stay here 5 to 8 breath. Try to keep your left knee near the left shoulder. Don't sway it away. 3, 4. Look between your palms or you can close the eyes. Stay connected with your breath. Six, seven, 8. Come back to the original position. Take the leg back, down dog, relax 3 breaths. From down dog, let's raise your heels up and come to cross leg, and from here lie down in supine position. Bend your knees, interlock your fingers under your head and keep your feet mat width apart. We will do windshield wipers. Look right and bend your both knees towards your left. Inhale center, exhale other side. Inhale, exhale. 2, inhale, 3, exhale, inhale center, exhale, 4, inhale and exhale, 5, left side, inhale center, exhale right side, 6, exhale, inhale center, exhale, 7, exhale, inhale, exhale, 8, inhale, come back to center position, and from here release your arms, roll your body up, and from here meet me in down dog. From down dog, raise your right heel up, 3-leg dog, bend your knee and take it front, drop the back knee down. Now here we will do a movement. This is low lunge position. Ensure your both the hands and front foot is in one line. As we inhale, we will move up. Exhale here. Inhale cactus arms, and as we exhale, we will straight the front knee and take the palms inward. And from here we will rotate the arms, take the front toes up and go down, forehead to knee, wherever you can. Stay here 1 breath. Again, bend the knee, inhale up, exhale cactus arms, rotate the arms, straighten the knee and going down, forehead to knee, 1 breath. Third round, bend the knee, inhale, both the arms up, exhale here, inhale cactus arms, and as we exhale, both the palms inward, rotating the arms. In the meanwhile, front leg is doing its action, forehead to knee. This is third. We will do it 5 times. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and going down. Cup shape fingers. Stay here, one breath. Bend the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, cactus arms. Exhale, rotate the arms, front knee will be straight and going down. Stay here, 3 breaths. 2, 3. Now bend the front knee, and this time take both the hands on your right knee and bend your left knee. Hold the left knee with one hand. If it is available to you, you can hold the left knee with both hands and stay here 3 breaths. Don't push yourself too much. Play according to your comfort. Feel the stretch in your quad. Take the hips down. Straight the torso. Look front. Now release the back foot and both the palms on the mat. Press the palms. Take the right foot back. Meet me in down dog. Stay here 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. This time left leg up. Bend the knee and take it between both the palms. Back knee down. Adjust the back foot. Ensure that your front foot and both the palms in one line. Let's start the flow. Try to stay with your own movement. Let's start. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Inhale, cactus arms. And as we exhale, straight the front leg, palms facing inward towards the waist. And as we rotate, toes up and both the arms going down. Take time in this momentum so that while going down you must be exhaling. Stay here 1 breath. Second, bend the knee. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, cactus arms, and on exhale we are coming up to here and then slowly going down. Let's take third round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, cactus arms, and on exhale straight the front knee. Take the palms inward towards the waist. From here rotating the arms, going down in cup shape fingers, forehead to knee. Staying here 1 breath. Bend the knee. Inhale. Keep pressing your hips down. Exhale here. Inhale, cactus arms, and going down. 1 breath, stay. Bend the knee. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, cactus arms, and on exhale going down. Staying here 1 breath. And now 90-degree angle in front knee. Take both the hand on your left knee, bend your back knee and hold it with one hand or 2 hands, whatever is available to you. Look front, torso straight. Stay here 3 breaths. Keep pressing the hips down, feeling a nice stretch in your right quad. slowly release, taking the hands down, pressing on the mat, and come back to downward dog. And from here, relax in child pose. 3 breath. Now let's meet in tabletop position. We will do tiger movement here. So as we inhale, take the right leg up, knee will be bent. First look at me, then do. Look up, knee bent, raise your back foot, keep the toe pointed, and as you exhale, take your right knee to your forehead. This is 1. We will do 8. Inhale, exhale. Keep core engaged while coming down. Inhale, 3. Inhale, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. And relax your right knee on the mat. Let's start the same with left knee. Inhale, look up, back knee up, keep the leg bended. Exhale, left knee to forehead. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale, 8. Relax your left knee as well, and now come to child pose. Stay here 5 breath. Get prepared for the next move. Take deep breath in and exhale through mouth. Let's come to tabletop. Tuck the toes, downward dog. From here, raise your right heel up. Take the right foot between the palms. Adjust your back foot and meet me in high lunge. Inhale, raise your arms up, 90-degree angle in the front leg. Exhale here. Inhale, same movement, and on exhale, take the palms inside, rotate the arms, straight the front leg and land the back foot on the mat and going down. Pyramid pose. High lunge to pyramid. Stay here, one breath. Take the back foot up, 90-degree angle in front leg and come up, high lunge. Exhale here, inhale and taking the arms inward, making a flow, straightening the front leg and going down, forehead to knee. Staying here. One last time. Back heel up, 90-degree angle in front leg. Inhale, both the arms up. Exhale here. Inhale, cactus arms, and on exhale, rotating the arms, straightening the knee, landing the back foot and going down. Pyramid pose. Now stay here. Now bend right knee 90 degree, press the palms and take the right leg back. Stay here 3 breaths before moving with the left leg. This time left leg up and taking the left leg between the palms. Back toe tuck, back heel up and inhale, high lunge, cactus arms, straightening the knees and going down, forehead to knee. This is 1, 2 more to come. Bend the knee, back heel up, inhale, exhale here, cactus arms. As we move the arms inward, straighten the front knee and going down. Stay here. One last. Bend the front knee, back heel up, inhale, exhale here, inhale cactus arms, as we exhale, moving down. Stay here. Now bend the knee, press the palms, take the leg back, down dog, drop the knees and relax in child pose. 3 breaths. Deep inhale and exhale through mouth. Now next we are going to do 2 exercises for passive stretch of hip flexors and psoas muscle before moving towards closing of the session. Let's move up, tabletop position, tuck the toes, down dog, and from here cross your ankles near the wrists and sit in Dandasana. Our first movement will be Supta Virasana. So taking the support from your one side, bend your both the knees and meet me in Vajrasana. From here we are going to move into Supta Virasana. Those who can, good for them. Otherwise, option is there. You can take support of block, bolster or pillow, whatever available to you. You can keep this block under your back, lower back. You can take 2 blocks under the lower back. You can keep a bolster or pillow. For how to move into Supta Virasana, just going little back, keeping the palm on your left, resting your elbow. Now again keeping the other palm on right side and resting the elbow. One option is staying here, and those who can go down, slowly move back and stay here. Otherwise, you can keep a bolster under your back all the way from your middle back to your forehead. You can keep the palms rested beside your body, or you can keep them on your thighs. Stay here 5 to 8 breaths. Don't overstretch your body. Be in comfortable position, either yourself or with props. 5 to 8 deep breath, eyes closed. Try to connect with your body. Now, how to come out of the pose? Again, rolling your shoulder little up, taking the help of your elbows and palm, move up. Next is Setubandh Sarvangasana. And for that, let's come to spine position. Bend your knees, shoulder width apart. From here, inhale and raise your hips up as you can. Come on your shoulder and hold your lower back with your thumbs. Adjust your elbows under your lower back, and now straighten your legs. You can straighten the legs one by one alternatively or both at the same times. Stay here 5 breaths. Option to keep bolster, blocks or pillow under the lower back, and you can stay in simple Setubandhasana. 3, 4, 5. Now bend your left leg followed by the right leg and gently release your hands. Lower your hip and relax. Now from here, take both the knees and come to wind releasing pose. Take your forehead to the knees or chin to the knees and stay here. Release. Now Take your knees shoulder width or mat width apart. Interlock your fingers under the head. And let's do Markatasana. Look towards your right and both the knees on the left. Stay here 3 breaths. Inhale, come back to center, and on next exhale, repeat it other side. Inhale, come back to center. Next is figure 4 stretch. Release your hands. Take your right ankle on your left thigh near the knee and hold your left thigh. Stretch it towards your chest and stay here 3 to 4 breaths. Release. Change the leg. Hold the right thigh. Feel a nice stretch. Release. Now here, take both the feet up, hold them from the outer edge, and let's do happy baby pose. If available, rotate right and left and stay here 3 to 5 breaths. If possible, try massage your lower back on the mat. If it is little up from the mat, it is fine. Keep the eyes closed. Come back to center and straighten both your legs, and let's move into Shavasana. Adjust yourself, drop your whole weight on the mat and the ground, both the palms facing upward on the sides of your hips. Observe your breath. Feel the lightness of the breath after the workout when it comes in and go out. Now we will do 3 deep belly breathing. As we inhale, we will fill the belly with breath. First we take the belly out, then fill the air in the waist area and then chest, and once it is full, then we hold the breath for a while and then release it through the mouth. Belly breathing is very good for your hip area and your lower back pain. Let's start. Inhale, Tighten your waist with the ear. Hold. Exhale through mouth. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's do it again. Inhale. Fill the belly with air. Keep the breath everywhere around the waist area. Tighten your belly, then chest, and hold. Release everything through the mouth slowly. Taking the belly to the resting position. One last time. Inhale. Hold. Release everything through the mouth. Relax. Do normal breathing and observe your breath. Watch your whole body from head to toe with closed eyes. Feel heavy on the mat and the ground. Release all your weight and stress and anything you are carrying to the ground, to the mat. Stay here for 2 minutes. Try to connect with your breath. Observe your breath. If you are feeling any pain, any sensation in any part of the body, focus your attention on that particular area and heal that. Gently move your toes. Now move your fingers one after the other. Turn your head to the right and then to the left. Take your feet together. Fingers interlock upon the head. Stretch yourself to the Supta Tadasana. Lengthen your body. And now bend your right knee. Take your both the palms under the head and turn yourself to the left side, followed by bending your left knee also. Stay here for a breath. Now, while taking the support of both your hands, sit in Sukhasana. Keep the eyes closed. Sit straight. Adjust yourself. Left hand in Gyan Mudra. right hand in Vishnu Mudra, and we will do Anulom Vilom for 2 minutes. We will start by exhaling through the left nostril. Let's start. Finish your circle by exhaling through the left nostril. Gyan Mudra in both the hands. Keep the eyes closed. Feel the energy moving upward from your Muladhara to Crown Chakra. Let's chant one Om to close the session. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow down your head. Be thankful for the fulfillment of the intention we set in the beginning of the workout. Rub your palms. Apply the heat generator on the eyes. Inhale. As you exhale, open the eyes looking towards the palms. Thank you.